In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open .msg file without Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever been sent a .msg file, that's typically an email message saved from Outlook. You don't need Outlook installed to read it. We'll use a free online viewer so you can open the message quickly, see the contents, and in many cases, view attachments as well. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading to google.com. Any modern browser works: Chrome, Edge, Safari, or Firefox. Make sure your internet connection is stable since you'll be using a web tool to display the file. In the search bar, type free to MSG viewer and press enter. You'll see several options that let you upload an .msg file and view it right in the browser. Before clicking, glance at the site's description and look for a reputable, well-known tool. It's also a good idea to check that the site loads over a secure connection, indicated by HTTPS in the address bar, and skim for a brief privacy statement so you know how your upload is handled. If the email you're opening contains sensitive information, consider whether you're comfortable using an online viewer and only proceed if you trust the site. Once you've picked a viewer, look for a button labeled Choose File, Upload, or something similar. Click it and navigate to where your .msg file is stored. Common places include your Downloads folder, your desktop, or a project folder if you've saved it elsewhere. Select the .msg file and confirm. Many viewers also support drag and drop, so you can drag the file from your folder straight onto the page if that's more convenient. Give it a moment to upload. Larger files or slower connections may take a few extra seconds. After the file is selected, click the button that says View, Open, or similar to process the message. The viewer will render the email so you can read the subject, sender, recipient's, date, and full message body. If the email includes formatting, links, or images, those usually appear as well. Most tools also display attachments beneath the message. You can often preview them in the browser or download them to your computer. If something doesn't appear correctly, try refreshing the page or using a different viewer from your search results. That's all there is to it. You've opened a .msg file without Outlook by searching for a free viewer, choosing your file, and clicking View. If the first site you try doesn't work, simply return to your search results and pick another reputable option. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your message open in just a few clicks.